Hello, hello, hello. Today is the day. Oh my God. All right. Didi is United. Didi is Vancouver Maisog. Today is our event. Our lovely and dearly lovely Maharlika Bol, as in Bol Jakera, is here. So we have event today. Excited ang lahat. Okay. So yung mga ano dyan, mga alpots, yung mga alfats, pasensya na kayo, sorry na lang kayo. Alright, so galit kayo na ginagamit namin yung maisog. We are Duterte supporters since 2016. Okay, yung iba dyan na mga alfats ay kasusulpot lang. Okay, so ayaw nyo ng mga maisog ang gagamitin namin. Hindi namin ginamit ang the whole maisog, hakbang ng maisog. So we can use maisog, we can be our own group without magre-registered sa inyo diyan sa hakbang maisog. What a big deal sa inyo. It's not a big deal for us. Community, we are just a group here in Vancouver helping Duterte's the good governance, tapos ginagawa niyong big deal. Why you're trying to break the Duterte supporters. Hindi kayo magwawagi, okay? Hindi kayo magwawagi. Ang inggit nyo kasi, bakit kasi kayo ginagawa nyong issue? Our Vancouver Maisog is not bayaran, lalo nang hindi uto-uto. At hindi po kami nagsosolicit for your information. Okay, mga alphats at mga bitter. Hindi kami nagsosolicit, of course. Kung kakain ka sa social na restaurant, bayad ang venue, you have to pay, okay? You have to pay your food. We're not rich. If you don't want to pay, don't come. Alright, no problem. So, galit kayo dahil suportado namin ang aming palangga Maharlika? Why? Okay? Hindi kami bayad ng mga politikong, mga pulpul na politiko. We supported Duterte from our own heart, our own money, heartily. So, sorry na lang kayo. Inggit, pikit, babus.
Nating dalawa.